We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can mute the camera sound for this MIBAO D100 IP camera. So to start, you will need to launch the IPC360 app. Here select the devices section at the bottom, then open the camera settings, go into sound, and here switch off those two things, and moreover you can also completely disable the volume for the camera notifications and camera speaker like that. If you want to, you can also disable the camera mic volume as well. Then save the changes, and here you have it. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.